Hello, gorgeous grandbabies. Look, we have a visitor in the garden. Lou has found a friend. Can you see the cocky up there eating the sunflowers? Oh, look, he's very enjoying that. I don't think Lou quite knows what to make of it. Hello, Mr. Cocky. You've been eyeing off these flowers for a while. I've seen you fly by and look at them from the trees. Oh, bit of a standoff there. Lou is eyeing him off. What are you doing to my garden, says Lou. There's not going to be much left of my... Oh, and he's gone. I think she scared him away, hey? But I have no doubt that he will be back, especially since Lou spends most of her time inside anyway. That was an exciting little thing to see, grandbabies, wasn't it?